Oh, you from Tanzania?
Yeah.
How long you been South Africa?
I think go to 11 years now.
11 years. How old are you now?
I'm 21.
21. You born away?
I was born in Tanzania.
Tanzania. You stay with who?
Oh,
Alone. So what you do there, South
I
Africa?
sell clothes. You
Clothes.
forgot me.
Where?
I was here with my brother. They always driving me. They left me service. This one.
Can I see the picture? Maybe I know him.
You show the picture. Of the car.
16.
We used to stay by this hotel.
This hotel.
This one.
Can
We
I
used to
see
come
his
with this
picture?
car.
No, but I want to know his brother.
You don't know. I think it's your other brother.
But can I see the picture, hey, brother?
Hey, how much?
35,
The small one,
25,
25. How much, my friend?
7 rand,
Eh?
7 rand.
Ah. Yo, we are this.
All right.